G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. I get asked heaps of questions, things like how did you ever end up so good looking and manly? I'll answer those questions in all due time, but today I'm going to answer a question for Dashiel. This is for you, Dasher. Thanks for watching. So Dash has asked me about laying a floorboard onto a slab. There's been a lot of questions about laying floorboards onto slabs. I've heard that engineered boards work and all of that kind of jazz. I don't know about engineered boards. I haven't done enough of them to give you a good rundown of them. I do know about solid timber floorboards and Australian native sustainably grown floorboards. So what we're going to do is you're just going to walk through a system that we use when laying a floorboard on top of a slab. It's important to remember though that whenever you do a floorboard on a slab that you seal the slab. The slab has to be sealed. It doesn't matter if it's got plastic on the outside or anything else, there's still moisture that gets into masonry no matter what. And if you put a floorboard straight on top of a slab, the floorboard itself will absorb that and it'll pop. Warp, bow, snap, crackle and pop. So what we want to do is make sure that we've got a barrier between the two. Where we're restricted for place, what we can do is seal the slab with a 2-part epoxy or something similar to that. Then we would lay special plyboard, structural plyboard down on top of that and knock it in. Then we would paint that and then we'll put our floorboard on top of that. That's one system. Or there's this system that we've done here today. What we've done here today is we've done a batten system. So this batten system runs straight on top of the slab, but obviously this slab, you can see we've got a bit of a gap underneath here, and what we will do underneath our batten system is we will Sikaflex it, or we will, although we've put knock-ins every 450, we'll also do this as well to make sure that the batten itself is adhered in every spot to the actual slab. The slab is sealed. So that has got a sealer on the slab, so no moisture can come up. Then we've got the batten system on top of that. You'll also notice if we've used timber, we've put plastic underneath that as well. What that does is it makes sure no moisture will come up and into this and then into our floorboard. From here, what we can do is lay our floorboard straight on top of these all the way through and get a consistent, perfect level all the way, matching into the hallway and going down. I've talked about it a million times and I'll talk about it a million times again. It is super important to separate masonry from timber. Think it, talk it, work it. Timber has a moisture content and that needs to be kept at a consistent level, because otherwise what happens is it'll change shape. And so there you go, Dash. This is our end product. What we did was we sealed all of the slab, we put the batten system down, which you already saw, and now we've got a perfect floor, which is really nice and stable, allows the floor to breathe slightly because it's on the batten system, and we don't have any worries about it buckling, bowing, warping and popping. So thanks for watching. Any questions or queries about putting floorboards down over the top of a slab? Please remember, you never put a floorboard straight on top of a slab. There are different systems. This is just one of them. And if you've got any questions about any other systems, please flick them over and I'll check them out and show them to you in the future. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay awesome.